Hi and welcome to The Batch Lady. My name's Suzanne Mulholland and I'm here in association with Mash Direct because we have got a brand new recipe for you. A recipe that you can make in advance, put in the freezer and use whenever you want. Simple, easy recipe for the family, okay? So this is called chicken and chorizo southern fried potato pie. Full of flavour, absolutely delicious but easy to make. Right, in terms of ingredients, we are going to use some olive oil, creme fraiche, some chicken stock. We are going to use some plain flour, some already diced chorizo that you can buy in a packet from the supermarket. I've got 3 chicken thighs. I've got some frozen chopped onions here. You can either chop an onion yourself or you can just buy a frozen chopped onion and take a measurement cup out and you can use that. And a red pepper, okay? Couldn't be simpler. Let's get going and I'll chat to you all about it as we go along. Okay, so take your frying pan and you are just going to get it on the heat. Add a little splash of olive oil. And then get your onions going in the pan, okay? These onions have already been frozen, so they will not take long to cook. Now, we've got our chicken thighs here. We're only using 3. I've already diced one of them. I'm just going to dice the last one just to let you see. Sometimes you might need to take a bit of fat off of these. Dice them quite small. I mean, not tiny, but I'll show you a little piece. Maybe a centimetre by a centimetre, something like that. And you're just going to get this in the pan with your onions, okay? Right, get the chicken in. I'm going to quickly wash up my hands and come straight back. Okay, so my chicken is in the pan and I'm very quickly going to dice this pepper. I've changed my chopping board, I've changed the knife, I've washed my hands, so we're nice and clean, ready to go. Okay, so a quick dice of the pepper. Now sometimes I'd use frozen chopped peppers if you want to be really quick, but this one I quite like it having a bit of a crunch to it. So I'm just going to use the full red pepper. It'll be absolutely delicious. Now, Mash Direct. I'm here in association with Mash Direct and we are putting southern fried potato on top of the pie. So it's a really different pie mix that you might all be fed up with the same old sort of top of your pie. Why not give this one a go? It's really delicious. These are like little sort of spicy and they're gluten free. So this is Mash Direct, our family farm, and they have their products are from Northern Ireland. I just love them. They're really good. They don't have anything that's not natural that I wouldn't do in the house if I was making these wedgies myself. It just means that somebody's done a bit of the work for me and I can get some really fast, simple meals straight in the freezer or in the fridge ready for the week ahead, okay? So I've diced my peppers so they go into the pan as well. And in the same pan, I'm going to add the 150 grams of chorizo, okay? Which is again already diced for me. That stuff in the pan now is going to sit for about 10 minutes. We're just going to let it cook away, okay? So it's time enough for you to have a quick clean up, quick clean around, and we'll come back and see what they look like in a minute. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, okay, it's your chicken's cooked, your chorizo's cooked, it's looking gorgeous. Just add in your 2 tablespoons of flour over the top, making sure it's going to coat everything. Looks like snow as it goes on. Okay, so your 2 tablespoons of flour, this is going to help thicken your sauce. Then you're going to do 1 tablespoon of paprika. This is going to go lovely. This taste with these southern fried wedgies will be absolutely delicious. Okay, 1 tablespoon of paprika. Give it a good mix round now. Make sure everything is coated. And then we're going to put this back on the heat and you're just going to very slowly start to add your stock in, bit at a time. Maybe a sort of quarter at a time, little bit in, like this. Give it a stir, let it thicken, put some more on while it's on the heat. Let's go and do that now. Okay, so this has been about another 10 minutes and this is now thickened and the sauce is gorgeous, okay? What you can now do is you can just add in your creme fraiche. So we're just going to add in 2 tablespoons of creme fraiche. Give it a mix around. And we're going to add it to one of these dishes that I've showed you before, which is your glass dish that can go straight from the freezer. It can go into the freezer, it can go straight into the oven. Okay, we're going to use one of them. Give this a mix around and you're going to pour it into your dish. And that's going to be the bottom of your pie. I mean, it smells amazing. Chorizo, paprika, oh, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so my pie filling is already out, and then all I want to do now is just take my wedges out of the packet, and these already smell amazing. Okay, they're coated in the most loveliest spices. You're just going to put them over the top. I mean, this is a real family favourite, great for those busy nights when you just want to come in, throw it straight in the freezer. We're going to use 2 packets, so you're going to double up that layer, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So this is southern fried potatoes, thin slices of potatoes covered in a southern style freezing, and they crisp up once they're in the oven, okay? So just layer them over the top. You've got everything you need. A 1-pot dish couldn't be simpler. Why not give this a go, okay? This one is going down a treat with my family. If I was going to be making this, I would be making one like this, ready for tonight, and right beside it, one ready for the freezer, so that when I have a busy week next week, I can just pull one out and it is good to go, okay? Why not give it a go, okay? Chicken and chorizo, southern fried wedge pie. Absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye.